Asus has expanded its laptop portfolio in India by launching two new business-centric models. It includes the ExpertBook B1 402 and B1 502. According to the company, these newly launched laptops are tailored for business and come with slim, light and high versatile designs. Here is everything you need to know about the Asus ExpertBook laptops. The Asus ExpertBook B1 402 has a 14-inch display and the B1 502 has a 15.6-inch collection. These laptops are certified with the latest military-grade standard. Under the hood, these laptops draw power from the 12th generation Intel Core chipsets. In order to provide better cooling and performance, it includes dual exhaust vents. The Asus ExpertBook series laptops offer up to 48 GB of upgradable RAM and a PCIe Generation 4 SSD storage. It comes with the Iris Xe integrated graphics. The laptops have dual USB-C ports with 65W USB-C PD charging. Regarding connectivity, the laptops support RJ45 ports with status LEDs, USB-A ports and an HDMI port. Furthermore, the Asus ExpertBook series laptop comes with a 180-degree lay flat design. It also has a shielded webcam, dedicated TPM 2.0, secure MAC binding over RJ45 and a Kensington lock.